Ramayya and friends, come along. Laugh and learn with our happy song.
One little rainbow shining so bright.
1, 2.
Two little butterflies dancing in light. 1, 2, 3. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little flowers look so sweet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My dear friend, that is 3.
And this lovely one is 4.
Oh, silly me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little friends, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little stars go twinkle tap.
Can you count with us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come along with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't this path great?
One, two, three, 4.
5 little friends, happy as can be.
This is wonderful. Let's dance together. One rainbow, 2 butterflies, 3 birds in the sky. 4 little flowers, 5 friends clap. 6 little stars go twinkle tap.
Counting is fun when we learn together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Learning together is our favorite trick.
Great counting, little friends.
Ramayya and friends, we'll see you again.